These are 5 reasons that you should build a retirement plan for your business. My name is Cade Bekanich, founder of Park Lane Financial Group, and oftentimes working with business owners leads to tax minimization strategies and doing everything we possibly can to maximize your personal finances. Retirement plans for business owners are popular for many reasons, but the number one reason that I've come across is tax minimization. Business owners hate almost more than anything to pay unnecessary taxes. When I discuss these retirement plans with business owners, we talk about being able to save money on their tax liabilities. Some of these owners don't even care that they're saving for retirement, they just don't want to pay more in taxes. And what I mean by saying tax minimization, it means that every dollar amount that's contributed to a retirement account associated with the business is one less dollar that the IRS gets to tax this year. When it comes to personal reasons, you want to contribute to a retirement account because it's designed to provide income during, well, your retirement. It's a great way to save money today as a business expense and prepare for your financial future. That being said, a lot of these business owners aren't only employing themselves, but they have plenty of employees that would love to contribute to these accounts themselves. That's when you dig deep into the different types of retirement accounts, things like a 401k, simple IRA, or even a SEP IRA for a self-employed person. But figuring out which account is best for you is for another video. The idea is to take a simple approach. The next step is to understand how many employees you have and who will be eligible to contribute to the retirement plan. Depending on the type of retirement plan that you decide to establish, you have a few different options. There are plans where employees and employers contribute to the retirement account. There are plans where just employers contribute, but at the end of the day, the intention is retention. Your goal as an employer is to attract and retain talent, which means you have to incentivize these employees to stay around for more than their hourly wage. The goal is to keep your employees happy so they stay with your business and in turn gain more experience, encourage others to come work for you, and really develop a brand name that you're proud of. As somebody who owns their own business, I can't emphasize enough how I firsthand understand the importance of reinvesting back into your business. That being said, sometimes the reinvestment back into your business isn't necessarily capital to make the business run, but money that should be used to attract extremely valuable employees. I know I keep repeating myself, but in reality, it is employees that run the business. But when you have high quality employees, ones that are well versed in their craft, are confident in their ability to help you and your clients, that's key. So when I say reinvest into your business, I don't necessarily mean buying more equipment as a tax deduction, buying another building, or finding some other expense outside of direct personal benefit to the employees, but by paying them more, incentivizing them to grow with you in your business is a great way to improve your service model and build brand awareness. Starting a retirement account for your business might be scary, but I promise you it doesn't have to. Referring back to how many different options I told you exist for retirement plans, there are much more simple approaches than you might think possible. This is determined by a few different factors, which is often led by considering how many employees you actually have. So how many do you have? What are the contribution limits to each individual person's account? And what are the administrative costs associated with establishing and maintaining the plan? These are all things to take into consideration when determining which retirement plan is best for your business. Understanding that not only are retirement plan contributions tax deductible, helpful for retaining key employees, and an opportunity to improve your personal financial future are all reasons to stop hesitating, as in, this is your key to start your plan today. My name is Cade Bekanich, and if you're a small business owner, meaning approximately 50 employees or less, and can use guidance on establishing and maintaining the retirement plan for your business, click the link in the description below to schedule your first meeting today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.